Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to translate your Shopify store into different languages so customers from other countries can browse your products more easily. So first, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and once you are there, click settings in the bottom left corner and then choose language. So this is where you can manage the different languages available on your store. Next, click add language, and then Shopify will show you a list of supported languages, so simply choose the one you want to add and confirm your selection. And if you haven't installed Shopify's Translate and Adapt app yet, you may be asked to install it. So this free app lets you translate important parts of your store, including product descriptions, collections, pages, and other texts. After adding the language, open the Translate and Adapt app and then select the language that you want to work on. You can enter the translations manually, or you can use the auto translate option to generate them faster. Once everything is translated, take a moment to review the text and make any changes if needed. Then click publish and save your changes. And after that, customers can switch between the available languages and view your store in the language that they prefer. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.